On downloading the app, you get the first screen, which is to choose the language. You can choose 1 out of 10 options, for example English, to save it. Then you have the option of entering your phone number, or you can log in through the Gmail login ID or also as a guest login. If you do guest login, for every section you need to be registered except for the my video feed, which you can use it to scroll through various categories of videos. So let's first log in, maybe using a phone number. You get an OTP once you enter the phone number. I'll have to wait for some time. Here it is. So once you are logged in, you see again the same set of video feeds, which you can choose depending on the category that you would like to use. Here for example, I choose a driver or a cook or a carpenter. The options as you choose changes the kind of videos that you see. Similarly, you can also start your skill yatra. Here it's a section which is designed for game-based learning through quizzes and videos. Here you have multiple kinds of categories. Many of them are based on National Skill Development Council of India, their curriculum, what a wireman should learn. The same set of videos have been designed with quizzes, and as you answer the quiz, you basically progress. For example, I choose wireman. So basically you start the journey into the wireman, where you see the first topic, which is as per the recommendation, into occupational safety and health basics. So unless I complete the video, I cannot move forward. So let's go to a category where I have already done something, and see if we have a chance to see how the quiz looks like. Again, this is a new one, so it doesn't allow me. I'll have to go through the video. Unless I complete the video, it will not let me. As you see on the top, please complete the video. So once you complete the video, you get to see the set of questions. You can go back to the main feed using this home button. Similarly, you have your account where you see your profile. Highly recommended that you fill all the details in this profile to help yourself being having the video and the details with the app administrator only helps you to get better opportunities in future. Here you see watching videos, watched videos, and favorite videos that you are watching. Similarly, in my rewards, you will see whatever you've done as of now. You earn points for uploading the video, for watching skill quest videos and answering questions, as well as referrals. Here you can see yourself in the leadership board, where you see your videos, your points for which you have earned versus others in the system, much like a game. You can also upload videos related to skill yourself. You can paste the URL of the YouTube channel where you have put a video. You can write a title, you can write a description, you can choose the category for which you are uploading the video. There are many. And then of course you can choose even the language under which you are uploading the video. Settings, you can go to my notification for any notification that comes from the Chauwk app. You can again change the categories that you have chosen earlier. For example, I change the category maybe to warehouse work, office work, and remove maybe general awareness and save it. It brings me back to the main video feed, where you see a lot of new videos related to the categories that you have finally chosen. Here you can also go to settings again and see privacy settings for any option to deactivate your account in case you want to. You can again change your languages if you want to. For example, if I choose here Telugu, it becomes everything in Telugu. So I go back and change it again to English. Save. Terms of use, you get to see all the policies related to the app. Terms of use. Here it's important. Here you can refer and win as well. So this is my referral code, which you see SFJ0IFUB. So I can invite friends by pressing invite friends button, and I have the option of referring it multiple ways. The most easiest is WhatsApp. You can choose WhatsApp and send it to your friends. Your friends will get an invite from you with your referral code, which they use it to register in the app, and you will earn points, and those points will show up in your rewards for referrals. For example, I got 10 points for 2 referrals. Similarly, in help, you can actually learn more about this app in case if you have questions. You can also send us queries and feedback by writing your feedback here and submitting it. We'll be happy to get back to you for that. You can also log out of the app in case if you want. There are other multiple social media links. Please visit these links also to share your feedback, see what programs we are running, and a lot more. Other two sections which are very important and left behind are jobs. Here we post a lot of jobs which you can actually use to apply. Once you click any of these jobs, for example sales, you get the full details with the role, industry, salary range, experience required, education required, job timings, days of work, age, other skills required for the job, any benefits, and the job description, which you can use it to apply. Once you apply for this job, for example I apply for this job, we get a notification, as well as you can monitor this in your applied jobs section, where you see this, which the job you applied, you can see. So this is showing pending currently. So once we take a decision, you will see a update here. Instead of pending in green, it could be selected or rejected or still pending in process. So coming back to jobs, you can scroll up and down. You can write and search the job by the pin code. For example, if I choose a pin code, for example something random, it gives you results related to your pin codes. You can also search by the name of the role. For example, if I choose only specially electrician, I see electrician as job. So you can use the search button here to multiple search. Coming back to this other section, which is partner offers, here you will find multiple services which can improve your lifestyle. For example, you can enroll, you can inquire, for example, for any government schemes that you would like to be enrolled into. You can enter this link and it will take you to a form where you can enter your details, and we will then get back to you to help you enroll into these services, schemes that the government is running for your benefit. Healthcare services are there. You can apply and get more details of this sort of healthcare, where again you can share your details and we will get back to you, where you have health memberships as low as 145 to 150 rupees per month, giving you health insurance as well health support of 1 lakh per year, and the premium is not annual, you can pay on a monthly basis. Similarly, we have other kinds of memberships for healthcare, which will give you additional benefits such as free OPDs or discounted diagnostics or discounted medical care and insurance and teleconsultation. Of course, the premium there will be a little higher in your monthly case. You need not again pay on an annual basis. It is much cheaper to pay on a monthly basis. There are many other services. You can explore group healthcare. You can raise an inquiry. You can also take services from some of our partners, such as advanced salary loans or micro loans, or services for digital chit funds, where you also get interest for the money that you are investing. When you don't get a chit at the end of the cycle, if you win at the last, you still win. So those kind of services are there. We also keep adding many other volunteer options and services from the other NGO, All of that you will see on these sections, adding more and more as you proceed. So this is where you will find any kind of offers, any kind of support services that you're looking in this section. So coming back to the main feed, you can scroll left and right to select different kind of categories. Again, to summarize, you can also write back to us through the feedback section. If you want something more, we will be happy to add. So this is about it for now for the app version, which is available for you to use. Thank you so much.